Hi students. Today in grammar we are going to be learning about simple and compound sentences. So each sentence is either going to be a simple sentence or a compound sentence. Okay, so these are our two types of sentences that we have. And this is not like this is not like the types of sentences that we did last week, like interrogative, declarative, exclamatory. Okay, this is like these sentences, like an exclamatory sentence, can be either a simple sentence or a compound sentence. Okay, so let's do some examples. It says a simple sentence tells one complete thought. A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by the words and, or, but, or so. Okay, these words here, these words are really important. Okay, those are called conjunctions. Say that right now. Conjunctions. Conjunctions. Okay, so a conjunction will join a sentence together. Okay, two complete thoughts together. One complete thought, second complete thought, joined together by one of those conjunctions. So an example of a simple sentence is, I took my dog for a walk last night. Notice how this sentence does not have a conjunction in it. It doesn't have one of these words, right? I took my dog for a walk last night. That is one complete thought. So it is a simple sentence. Simple means that it is kept not with a lot of details, just kind of one complete thought. Okay, just one thing. The compound sentence example says, I could walk my dog or I could watch a movie. So we have two separate thoughts there. I could walk my dog or I could watch a movie, joined together by the word or. Okay, see this word here? Or, that is our conjunction in that sentence. Okay, that is the combining, joining word. Okay, conjunction. So we have two complete thoughts in a compound sentence, and it's joined together by a conjunction. Let's do some practice activities, or not practice activities, just some practice sentences on this next slide here. So we're going to either say if it's a conjunction, or not a conjunction, if it is a simple sentence or a compound sentence. Remember, a simple sentence just tells one complete thought, just one thing. Okay, for example, I am at school today. Just one thing. But a compound sentence tells you two different thoughts. So, for example, I am at school today and I ate lunch outside. Okay? Which I really did do, by the way. So, a compound sentence has two thoughts. A simple sentence only has one. They wanted people to come to the bookstore. Is that one thought? Would that be a simple sentence? Or is that going to be a compound sentence, meaning that it has two different thoughts? What do you think? That is a simple sentence. It does not have the words and, or, but, or so. Okay? See, these words, remember, those are our conjunctions, our joining words. Doesn't have one of those words in this sentence here. They wanted people to come to the bookstore. That's just one thought. It's just one complete thought. So it's going to be a simple sentence. I'm going to write simple there. Number 2, people can check out books or they can read them at the library. What do you think? Do you think that is a simple sentence or a compound sentence? Think, does it have one thought or two thoughts? If you're thinking that it is a compound sentence because it has two thoughts, you are correct. People can check out books. They can read them at the library. Two different thoughts, right? And they're joined together by a conjunction, and the conjunction is the word or right here. And I'm actually just going to circle that. I'm going to circle that conjunction or. because that is the word that combines both of those thoughts. People can check out books or they can read them at the library into one sentence. So that sentence is a compound sentence. Okay, so I'm going to write compound. Perfect. Number 3, it was raining outside, so I had to play inside. Do you think this is a simple sentence, meaning that it's just telling you one thing? Or is it a compound sentence that's telling us 2 different thoughts? Well, does it have the words and, or, but, or so in here? Yes, it does. It was raining outside, so I had to play inside, right? So is our combining word. That's our conjunction. It was raining outside. I had to play inside. They're joined together to be one sentence by the word so. So this word is a compound sentence. Miss Johnson really misses her students, which is very true. Is that a simple sentence or a compound sentence? What do you think? Does it just tell one thought or does it tell 2 thoughts? If you are thinking that it just tells one thought, Miss Johnson misses her students, then you are correct, and it is a simple sentence. It only tells us one thought. It doesn't have any of those conjunctions. It doesn't have and, or, but, or so. Next one, I love to eat ice cream for dessert, but I like to eat donuts too. Well, is this telling us one thought or is it telling us 2 thoughts? If you think it's telling us 2, then you're right? It says, I love to eat ice cream for dessert, one thought, but I like to eat donuts too. That's a second thought, and they're joined together by the conjunction but. So this is a compound sentence. And the last one, Winston ran in circles around the backyard. Do you think that is a compound sentence or a simple sentence? Does it tell us one thought or does it tell us 2 thoughts? If you're thinking that it just tells us one thing, Winston ran in circles around the backyard, then you're right. And one thought sentences are simple sentences, right? They don't have those conjunctions. Okay? Now, if you wanted to make this sentence a compound sentence, I could say Winston ran in circles in the backyard and he was barking. Okay? But it only just tells us one thing here. All right? So that is a little bit of an introduction to simple and compound sentences. I'm going to have you do a quick little sort on Seesaw. And if you are still a little bit confused, what you can do is rewatch some of this video. Or I'm also going to share this with you so you can look at this, these slides here. I'll put them on our classroom page, and you can look at it to kind of help you when you're doing your Seesaw assignment. Okay? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!